So I'm out for my morning hike, and right in front of us, me and my dog Pippi, hops a little mouse. And of course I get all excited to try to get on video, and my adrenaline's rushing, and I grab the phone and I'm thinking, oh, by the time I get this video turned on, it's gonna be gone. I have a squeaky ball in one hand. So I drop the squeaky ball, I get the camera turned on, and I turn it towards the mouse, and it's still there. So I'm just videoing it, and it's hopping around and sniffing around a little bit, and I don't know what to make of it. I didn't know if it was gonna bite Pippi, or it just, like, the vibe felt comfortable and safe. And I just kept the camera rolling and had the coolest experience with my dog interacting with this little mouse. So I hope you enjoy this footage. Remember, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and I'll keep posting good stuff. Have a great day. Pippi, what is that?
I got my dog's stamp of approval. Another job done. No fuss.
Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell.